𝗥𝗔𝗡𝗏𝗡𝗥𝗟𝗏 KIT na haikre madudi Moreda ngarang police commando singna fakiba mioi ahum adu matam sangna drug season naduna laklaba Myanmar macha ngaktani amadi Moregi miyamna amasung CSO singna Myanmar gi mioi sing Moreda pusinaba honaba leite amaromda numit kharagi mamangda state force ta ambush tawraki haiba paw adu aranbani police ta kana amatana nomai kapkiba leite ambush tawi haibadu police ki tausinnaba dramani haina KIT gi spokesperson 𝗪𝗡𝗢𝗦𝗡𝗥𝗟 phongdorakli KIT na thadrokpa sengdokpagi serol amada loinena video message amada spokesperson 𝗪𝗡𝗢𝗦𝗡𝗥𝗟 hai ngarang fakiba Myanmar national ahum adu kuki militant ni haina Imphal da phongba paw kharada hairibadu aranbani makoi kuki militant natte amadi Moregi miyamga mari leinade Moregi CSO singna Moreda police commando thambada thinglibagi maramdi Myanmar macha hena pusilakpa yanabani haina police commando na mara siki hari masimak chief minister N Birengi social media account singdasu thakat ki haina 𝗪𝗡𝗢𝗦𝗡𝗥𝗟 Moreda leiba luf amatana Myanmar dagi illegal immigrant changlakpada mating pangba leite adubu aranba paw santokpadi KIT na kaidongai dasu khangduna leiroi hairakle.
We have come across the Manipuri commandos posted in More spreading fake news again yesterday. So the 𝗥𝗔𝗡𝗏𝗥𝗟𝗏 would like to clarify that the arrested Myanmar nationals are neither Kuki militants nor are they related with More public and organizations. In fact, they are drug users, long-time drug users who are believed to be harbored by the Manipuri commandos themselves. And in fact, that is also their main activities. The same was also uploaded by N 𝗪𝗪𝗥𝗟𝗏 in his social media accounts, and it would be wise from Mr. Biren Singh's side to do a little fact finding from now on before giving such a statement. And it is immature and unethical of the CM N Biren Singh attempting to tarnish the image of More people. This is not the first time it happened. We had also clarified regarding another fake drama created by the state forces in More, saying that there was an ambush happened to them, which never happened and which was a total lie.